Okay, we just got to get this to Matthews. We've had some rain showers today. The builders have got the handrail completed up to there. It's Tuesday afternoon. The forecast is terrible. Increasingly strong northerlies, still just on and off periods of drizzle. I've got one of the big tourist boats out again. Okay, into the back gate again. We're squeezing another boat in and we can't get past. Well done, guys. The main reason I popped in was to make sure that we're not going to have too many disasters with the gale that's coming. I've mislaid the key for the boat and I've been searching everywhere for it, and look what I just found. So I put it down there when I put the lid on the paint. Well, I'm sure the covers are going to blow around, but it doesn't really matter. Right, into the forward part of the starboard hull, which is the bunk room. And first up, the screw collection. And then in the bosun's locker, some butanol in a caulking gun. This is a much softer butyl, much messier. It's going to work better with this combing over here. Well, to try and reduce the mess I will make, a bit of masking tape. Right, well, let's see how we go. Well, fastened. Now we just need to clean up the excess. Squeeze out's always a bit of a bloody problem.
Dr. Sharma claims he's the victim of bullying by senior party MPs and parliamentary service.
There. Next is the footrest at the helm station. Oh, back to the less messy black, less liquidy butyl. Now for this tail bag. This is on the port side. Well, that looks better. Oh, we'll put this squad back in. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's 5:30. I think we'll give up. At least we found the keys, which makes life a lot easier. For a second I wondered where the car had gone, but of course I can't park in front of the boat at the moment. Here it is, over here. Well, they're hard at work along here now, so there's a few assisted joists. As a matter of fact, looks like all of them. A new one tacked on beside the old one. Right, well, my supply of crystal clear vinyl, and down there's my supply of sewing bits, including the walking foot machine, so let's have a look. I think the plan first up is unpicking. Someone's trying to help, and believe it or not, it's not helpful. Hey? Licking me? Licking me's not helping, Sasha. I'm buying some more of this cord. That would be easier, but I may be able to get it apart this time before next year. It's freed off the bottom. Now I'm getting it off the forward end. Well, I've got it off. Last time I just sewed the new window over the old, so I'll see if I can unpick that, because it's starting to get a few too many layers even for the industrial walking foot machine to deal with. Right, all done, apart from pulling out all the stitches we've cut. Might do that while watching telly. Fortunately we can use the old one as a pattern, so let's cut that out. Traced around it, just got to cut it out now. I'll obviously have to go into shift because someone's sitting where I was. I had major troubles with the tension here. Transpired there was a broken link in the machine. But anyway, we'll see if we can tidy it up. It just takes time. We'll make a start on the port one. Okay, bottom edge is off. Now for the front edge. Taking off one of the old edges of vinyl. Well, there's the bits we need to keep. I'll get them in the washing machine. See if that gets rid of some of the bits and cleans them up a bit. Shipping containers. Matthew can't be a car groomer here, so he's off to wash the ute. There's the Manukau Harbour. Went to the big Bunnings store in Newlyn, and we got some bits for the new saltwater thing, and it should fit this. Here's Arthur from yesterday. So this is his Barracuda that's been a long project, completely restored and looking perfect. There's downtown Auckland, looking across some of the waters. We're going to the biggest Burnsco marine store. Oh, over the regatta. Now it is a lot bigger than our one. So Matthew's come to take away his splash that's been cluttering up Arthur's yard. Okay, we just got to get this to Matthew's. Oh, Riley's got a boat to play with now.